Do you understand where I'm coming from?
No. Oi! 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 Oh!
That's his fault.
Number 63. With a 95% approval rating on Rotten Tomatoes, The Empire Strikes Back is the critically highest rated of all the Star Wars movies. Number 64. In 1983, Episode 6, entitled Return of the Jedi, was released. Number 65.
Good freaking
Twin
Greek,
Peaks director David Lynch was approached to direct Return of the Jedi.
Stop it!
When he put me up on the therapy board over 6 months,
another one breaking the law. 90 miles an hour into 60.
And I just wanted to praise them and thank them for the good service they provided, other than the coronaviruses, because other people have diseases and problems. That's right. So how are you doing, Chuck? I'm getting there. There you go. I'm able to move around some by myself.
Well, that's awesome, Chuck. We appreciate you calling in and
Near
letting everybody
100
know what
miles
a
an
great
hour
job
to keep
our
up with
medical
this
workers
cop.
are doing out there in our community. It's 817 in the Big Tonker, WTMA.
Good morning. The right lane is still blocked 26 eastbound, approaching the 212 split to 526. Apparently this was an earlier non-injury accident. A couple of emergency vehicles are still on the scene, and again, they are blocking the right lane. So use care going by there. Drive carefully. I'm Sherry Bernardi.
Need to manage a changing workforce? It's time to get to know Express Employment Professionals. Visit expresspros.com to find one of over 830 locations to help support you.
Yes, sir. Can I see your supervisor?
Why?
You was doing 100 miles an hour when you went past me. I got you on my speedometer. You was doing 100 miles an hour, sir.
All right.
And you didn't have your blue lights on. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
If I did that, you'd pull me over and give me a ticket.
Would I?
Yes, sir.
All right. Why are you wearing your seatbelt?
I just took it off because I thought I was going to get out and talk to you.
All right. Well, great. If you have an issue with what I did,
Yes, sir. What's your name and badge number,
you can
please?
see it right there. You can call Charles County.
What's your name and badge number, sir? You're supposed to tell your name and badge number to anybody who asks, sir. That's your policy. Okay, 82247. There you go, guys and gals. You see tyranny at its best. Tyranny at its best, y'all. Tyranny at its best.
I'm just such that motherly person that, like, you feel like you've disappointed. What are they doing?
What? The f are you doing? Holy.
bad.
And it changed our life.
Yep. Me. Me.
Turn left on Battle H Avenue, then take the first.
The speeding black car didn't have working headlights. Without a dash camera, the driver turning left would be at fault if the driver of the black car wasn't honest.
Very funny. Love you too.
Oh shit!
Holy. Holy.
Thunder first,
Okay, well.